Hello gentlemen, only with sign 123 SWIFT portal you can interchange deposit, send, collect, make and sell cryptocurrency NFT throughout several platforms. This is private sale. Thomas embraces GEO 123 SWIFT home through enjoy biggest and best interview and 12 SWIFT GEO. Thomas embraces to learn about even the most effort ways the SWIFT and money and how it may help you throughout your Bitcoin career. SWIFT it is peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange system that taps into the opinions of the majority of the community of create neighborhood basis open the decentralized Web 3.0 setting NFT the software the enable people the create exchange NFT exchange rate with easier yield 123 yield is simple to still use, comfortable to use and handy to be using in exchanging the connectivity includes a small percentage of renewals of proprietary scientific and legal cost of the service. Bridge, it's never been easier to control investment across multiple chains. The 123 bridge system has it all. Whether you are searching for a BNB, ETH, TRX, and TDOT, go. 123 SIP cryptocurrency have been used to comfortable and agrees upon leadership suggested by simply being present. You have important influence the produce bad characteristic benefit electron heading exchange are a possibility. The project benefit include social control it the cross-chain link cryptocurrency such as backbones of NFT equivalent. Now your token battles BNBSC Binary Smart Chain BEB -2 is 20 ETH 20123 security checking audited assets in the cross-chain with the inclusion of Bride produce value NFT into the DEFI quantity of so market and producing farm network. These are so many blockchains like this which can be included in 18 blockchains. 1-2 token public sale coming. Stage private sale public token 2 for Isharia 510 Isharia 000 2 Isharia 580 Isharia 000 press per token 0 Isharia 12 USD 0 Isharia 12 USD locked and vesting 10% TGE 50% each quarter 10% TGE 50% each quarter. Team the 123 SWAP team is composed possible is the effort of creative individuals from all across the world. These are all just a few of the people that have helped the community. The best thing 123 SWAP for is just to accept it. Also the people who make it happen as well is the community. Roadmap. You can see the roadmap of the project. Detail is present here. You can see it. Partner entry Polygon OEC.